Hi guys, this is Sid, the Garage Boy. Today we're gonna show you how to replace a starter for a Audi 2011 Q5. Supposedly they're known for removing starters in a very difficult way. So we're gonna give you just quick tips on what exactly you need to remove and how difficult it is. On a scale 1 to 10, this is probably at a 9th level, 9.5. Definitely, I would not give it less than that. If you're just starting off, I would not attempt this by yourself. It's probably something you would have to take out bolts without seeing. When you do a job where you can't even see the bolt, literally the job jumps from scale 1 to 10 on 5 to probably 9.5. So I'm going to show you right now. Show you right here. So we have bolts right here. Literally it's inside. We have one 18 millimeter right here and another 18 millimeter over here. Now it goes into the engine like this. Okay, you will need to take out this top panel. It's basically plastic, right? So once you take this out, this top panel, you will see one shot. You will feel it from here. More than likely, you're going to need one person that's going to be feeling the bolt and the socket that will guide you from top. And another person from the bottom, you will see over here, you're going to have to take this panel out, which will make it easier for you. You will guide from here with a long extension and a swivel to get to that bolt. So one person on top, another person on the bottom. So there's two nuts, right? Two nuts. One of them is very difficult, okay? This one right here, that's the one that you're gonna need a long extension. The bottom one, you will need to take out the alternator over here just to get to this bolt. Yeah, like this. Yeah, my friend is the one who removed it. He's the one who's telling me that, hey, this is how it is. Right here, it will sit like this. This bottom one will be removed by removing the alternator. It's pretty easy. Out of scale 1 to 10, you would say probably 3.5, just because you got to remove the alternator. From the top, you will have to remove one person on top and then one person on the bottom guiding you. Now, don't get confused. There's two pipes. Some people have posted online these two pipes that you see here, right there. Those two pipes, there's a nut in the middle. So we actually got confused trying to take that nut out, and we actually did remove it. We were successful. We had a extension and we had a swivel, but don't get confused with that one. Those two pipes actually, right below it, just below it, if you have long fingers, you will be able to feel it. That top 18 millimeter bolt will need to be removed with the long extension that I told you from here. Take out this panel and do a long extension. One person guiding you from the top, another person guiding you from the bottom. You will be able to reach it. Remember, it's not in between those two pipes, okay? It's below those two pipes. The top bolt is below those two pipes. All right, makes sense? So that's pretty much it. Just go ahead and leave a comment, reply if you have any other way easier way to remove the bolt of those two bolts. Remember, do not try to attempt this if you're just starting off. It's not even, we had actually a mechanic come in, a full-time mechanic, and even he couldn't figure out where to remove the bolt from. So again, leave a comment, leave a thumbs up, and hope to see you again. Bye.